Welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to film today's tutorial for you guys because I think it's going to be a little bop and a lot of you guys are going to like this, especially since I'm catering to those who either are bald-headed or maybe suffer from some type of hair loss, or you're like me, you just have thin edges and you want to have a kind of sleek look, but you want to rock the headband wig trend. Then sis, this is for you. And if you don't like this concept, we don't want to hear from you, okay? So as I stated, I'm going to be showing you guys a headband wig, and this headband wig is from West Kiss Hair. Yes, okay, yes. This wig is 24 inches and it is their curly headband wig. I will have all of West Kiss information down below in my description box, as well as a direct link to this wig because I tried her on and sis is a whole vibe. Now, today I'm going to be applying this headband wig over this frontal wig. Make sure you have a short bob wig to achieve this look, and shout out to Glow Princess here on YouTube. She gave me the idea for this concept because she has a bald head and she used this method. Always shout out your inspiration, please, because some people be out here just thieving in these streets. Anywho, let's hop right into today's video. I'm hyped. Let go. Okay, we have her applied. Y'all, look how natural this looks. Now, excuse that, you know, the clips on this wig is a whole different issue, but y'all know how I feel if you watch my videos. I don't really care for those kind of clips, but I love their headband on this wig. It isn't too thick and it isn't too thin, and I feel like it's one of those kind of headbands that actually looks good without another headband on top of it. This wig is really full, and like I said, it's 24 inches. Oh my gosh, the texture. I knew when I put this wig on that I was gonna fall in love with it. Look how natural this wig looks with the frontal on it, sis. Like, I know it's extra having two wigs on, but you got to do what you got to do for certain circumstances. And if you want to rock, you know, a headband wig and you are a little bit in the struggle, or you just want to be extra like me, because I could rock it without a frontal, but I did this for those who probably can't, but they want to be a part of the headband wig trend. And you don't even have to have your frontal all the way laid down. You could put the elastic band on and just like do you a swoop or whatever you kind of like to do to your hairline with your frontals. You don't really have to do nothing because you could just swoop the hair down. Another thing I wanted to mention is I always wanted to try this look with like the little middle part. Get your life. Yes. This is probably about to be my new everyday joint. Okay, so this wig is in its natural state. I washed it about a week ago and she's still looking really good. And honestly, I didn't even put her back in the package, so she has a little bit more of a like fluff and frizz to her, but I like it like that. I'm in love. I cannot stop. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I'm in love with this wig. Oh my gosh. I really just wanted to emphasize in this video that you can rock a frontal wig underneath your headband wig. So for those out there who have suffered or are suffering from any type of hairline issue or hair loss, I got you. Please let me know if this video was helpful. I had so much fun creating this video for you guys, and I hope y'all don't get tired of me, but you know, sis, I think I found my new favorite. I'm finding new favorites all around, okay? West Kids hair, I always love their curly hair. Y'all came through. And if you know you don't want to put the frontal on, look at here, sis. She's still looking cute. So it's, anybody can wear a headband wig in conclusion, and this wig is fire in desire, okay? I want to say you need this wig, you know. You may not feel like it, but I feel like you do. If your pockets are in agreement with this wig, because it's actually pretty affordable, and you don't have to go as long as I did, 24 inches. I'm 5'2", by the way, so if you guys wanted to know for reference, like height reference of how long it will fall on you, I'm 5'2", so 24 inches is, you know, she's hitting, but I feel like it's still a decent length for me to wear every day. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'm feeling so good, y'all. I am feeling so good. I want to thank you guys one more time for tuning into my channel. If you have made it this far and you want to become a part of the OhSo gang, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you are a part of the fam like that. Boom, bam, bam. Thumbs up this video and share it with anybody who this may be helpful to. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.